Okay, good evening everybody. This is room tour 3406 at Sapphire Falls, Universal. We have put all our luggage here, but a little walk-in area with some tiling on the floor. Nice tiling it looks like. And a full-length mirror there. And then Brittany will open the doors here to the closet. Looks like we have the iron, the infamous hair dryer, ironing board, a little safe right there. Little bath area here, full mirror, kind of cool feature there. Shower, tile, toilet there. Pretty standard, but big, I would say. And this is a main room. Decent sized TV in here. Nothing to write home about, but a nice decent size. And then two queens in this room. Some nice artwork on the wall there. We'll roll over to a nice desk here. Let's see what's down in here. We got some shelves and yeah, a small refrigerator here for your needs. It's nice to see you too, trolls. The desk right here, and we move along. Some more artwork there. Standalone lamp with chair, which Brittany may socially distance herself from. She doesn't trust any chairs. And then, yeah, a lagoon view, which we'll show more tomorrow with the waterfall over there. It's kind of hard to see with the reflection.